Hi, I'm Mitchell Pearson with the Bowling Green CVB, and Bowling Green, Kentucky is a great site to be able to go to. Easiest way to think of us is simple alliteration. Corvettes, caves, and charm is the easiest way to do it. Since 1981, we are the home of Corvette, where we are the only place that it is made. We have a wonderful museum as well as a motorsports park, which offers truly driving experiences, as well as hot laps. So if you don't want to drive one and you want it to ride with one of our professional drivers, they will take you and show you what that car can truly do. Caves, we are in the heart of cave country with Mammoth Cave National Park. 300 miles of discovered caves in the system, and they still have not discovered all as far as it will actually go, which is amazing to think about how large this cave system is. But we have Lost River Cave, which is an underground boat ride right in the heart of town, as well as several other private caves throughout the area. And then our charm, of course, comes from just being part of the South. We have a lot of history, a lot of architectural significance sites that you can go through, a lot of culture within our downtown and the citizens that you will meet with Southern hospitality, and of course our cuisine. The food itself is phenomenal. So we invite you to come to Bowling Green, Kentucky. We hope to see y'all soon.